my creators, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, we're going to be making some shrimp and salmon Alfredo. Something really quick. This is seriously dinner on the fly. I didn't know what I was going to cook for dinner, and I just looked in my refrigerator. I was like, oh, I got every ingredient. Let's go ahead and do it. I hope you guys are staying safe and being blessed. Okay, my creators, let's get it. I'm going to be needing some garlic, some Parmesan cheese, some Italian blend cheese. I have some broccoli here. I have about a pound of noodles. I have 2 of these salmons here that I'm going to put in the air fryer. And then I have some shrimp. I have some garlic toast because I'm going to just do some garlic toast. You guys can make garlic toast from scratch as well. I'll show you guys how to do that one day. It's really easy. I have 1 stick of butter, heavy cream. I have some Knorr chicken bouillon flavor. Or I said it all backwards, but y'all know what I'm talking about. I have here Tish's Creative Cooking seasoning to which you guys don't have to purchase yet, or it's not available for you guys to purchase yet, but it will be available for purchase on September the 1st, September the 2nd, somewhere around there. I have my Cajun seasoning here, and then here I have my garlic and herb all-purpose seasoning. Okay, you guys, so I'm really creative. I'm really excited about that, excuse me. Okay, y'all, let's get into that. All right. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the water for your noodles. Now, depending on how you do your noodles, you can salt it, or of course, please salt it, and please put some of the, no son, oh, here you go, y'all, he gotta make his debut. All right, so I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of the Knorr seasoning inside of my water, and then I'm going to put some of my Himalayan salt inside of my water. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some olive oil in here. Okay, olive oil. Okay, let your water come to a boil. Now, the reason why I'm doing the Knorr seasoning is because I feel like when you cook your noodles with some type of broth, it definitely gives it flavor. Tonight is called We Ain't Doing a Lot of Dishes Night. So we are definitely going to be compromising on using these 2 pots, and that's why it's good to have an air fryer for your I can't talk today, y'all, for your salmon and your shrimp, okay? Because that's what's honestly going to be easy for me. But you can also definitely use a pan to sear, or pan or oven to sear your salmon and your shrimping. Okay, so stay tuned, you guys. Okay, so in my pot here I have about a cup of my heavy whipping cream. Okay, y'all know this is a lot of butter, but we're gonna put a stick of butter in there. That's why Alfredo is something that you do not eat all the time, because my godmother used to tell me they call that heart attack on the plate because it's so much cream and butter and stuff like that. But moderation. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a tablespoon of Tish's Creative Cooking garlic and herb seasoning, all purpose, in there. Okay, and then I'm also gonna put some garlic in there. Okay, well, I'm gonna let this come to a boil and I'll be right back. Okay, raw, honest, and true. These are my frozen shrimp, y'all. Like I said, this is dinner on the fly. I'm gonna put my Cajun seasoning just on a few, only because my son doesn't do the spicy. Okay, so I'm gonna put my Cajun seasoning on a few of the shrimp. And I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. Your air fryer has shrimp settings. If you're cooking it on the stovetop, just until they get pink, you know, about 5 minutes or so. It's really easy to overcook shrimps. I like my shrimp kind of crunchy, honestly, but to each his own. Okay, so my Alfredo sauce is coming. Well, it's not Alfredo sauce yet, y'all, but my butter and heavy cream is coming to a boil. And I went ahead and put in some of my Parmesan cheese. I put in about 1.5 cups, y'all. About 1.5 cups, okay? I got my little whisk from Dollar Tree. Sure did. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my cheese in. Alfredo sauce is really easy to make, to me. Of course, I say everything is easy to make. I'm gonna put my cheese in. Got about 1 cup of Italian cheese. Okay. Let that simmer. Be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm also doing a 1/2 block of my sour cream. Of course, I always leave out an ingredient because that's just my style. I'm always forgetting. So I have my Alfredo sauce on here a lot of times. You guys will see. Okay, y'all, so my Alfredo sauce is done. It's nice and thick. It's a great consistency to where I want it. I'm going to go ahead and put my broccoli in. My noodles are about halfway through cooked. Again, tonight I ain't doing a lot of dishes night. So I'm going to use the same pot that I'm boiling my noodles in, and I'm going to drop in my cup of broccoli. Okay? Easy, easy, y'all. I'm telling you, don't be stressing yourself out trying to do all those dishes. We can make it work with not a lot of work. How about that? Here are my shrimp. You guys, they are cooked. Again, I put them in the air fryer. And they are nice and ready for me. Okay, y'all, so you know I had cooked these frozen. I went ahead and put more Cajun seasoning on it. So we're gonna go ahead and put this thing together. All right, y'all, here's my perfect salmon. Look at that seasoning, just get into it, y'all. All right, y'all, so here's my broccoli and pasta. I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle that thing. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and put my pasta and my broccoli and my Alfredo together. Okay, again, this is a quick dinner on the fly. I didn't even know I was going to do a video today, but here we are. Okay, so we're going to put this thing all together because we are absolutely done. Quick. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and put this together. My phone had cut out because your girl needs a new phone, but I have a new phone. I just got to put it together, y'all, and I don't have no more storage, so yeah. But look at that creamy pasta, you guys. OMG, it looks so good, and again, so quick. I'm gonna put that salmon on top of there. Wow, put the salmon right here. Put a little bit of that skin off. And then I'm gonna
Where's mine?
Right here, son. Just wait a second. Then I'm gonna lay that Cajun.
Right here? Right here?
Hold on.
Right here?
I'm gonna lay that Cajun shrimp right down the middle.
Where's mine?
Son, let me finish. Let me finish with the people.
It's right here?
Okay, y'all. See that?
It's right here, Mommy?
Yes, just wait. See, y'all, he ready to eat. He ready to eat. Okay, y'all. And I got my bread right on the side.
Where's my dinner?
Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. Please, please, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos, y'all. I love y'all. Be safe, be blessed. Thank you, my creators.